this video I am going to explain you about the electric dipole in a non-uniform electric field. In the previous case you have seen that electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, so the formula torque is equal to Pe sin theta. But here we are going to take the consideration that electric dipole is placed in a non-uniform electric field. So if the dipole is placed in a non-uniform electric field, it means the value of the field continuously changing. So if the value of the field continuously changing, then the net force acting on the charge, that is minus QE and plus QE, according to the placement of the charge, and the value of electric field also changes. Both will not be equal because at different points the value of electric field will be different in the non-uniform electric field. So we will say that in the non-uniform electric field, net force will not be equal to 0. It will act on the dipole, and torque also act on the dipole. This net force depend on the following three conditions. First, the orientation of dipole with respect to electric field, मतलब आपने dipole को electric field में किस तरीके से रखा है. सेकेंड, डायपोल मोमेंट ऑफ डायपोल, डायपोल मोमेंट जो है डायपोल का कितना है, कितना चार्ज आपने लिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग कितना डिस्टेंस लिया है, तो डायपोल मोमेंट कितना है. एंड हाउ रैपिडली द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वेरीज इन द स्पेस, एंड द वेरिएशन इन द वैल्यू ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. Suppose this is minus q charge and this is plus q charge of the dipole. So here the electric field will be different and here the electric field will be different. So how much variation takes place between these two places? So according to these concept, now we are going to take the two conditions. When dipole moment is parallel to E, means dipole is placed along the direction of the electric field like this. This is minus q charge and this is plus q charge, and this is the direction of the electric field. But electric field is continuously changing in the non-uniform electric field. So here we have taken the weak electric field region and here we have taken the strong electric field region. So both the charges experiences, this charge experiences the force F1, which will be equal to minus Q into E1, and this charge experiences the force F2, which is equal to plus Q into E2. Why? The reason is that value of electric field here and here will be different, and since this is minus charge, this is plus charge, this is direction of the dipole moment, so both are parallel to each other. Now in this case, if this is the weak field region and this is a strong field region, so but natural this force is dependent on electric field, so this force is greater than this force. So we will write the net force F is equal to F2 minus F1, means the net force will act in the direction of the strong force direction, and a strong force direction is this. So the net force will act along the direction of electric field. Now second case, when P anti-parallel to E, when P means dipole and electric field both are placed opposite to each other. So this is the direction of electric field, this is weak field region and this is a strong field region. Plus q charge now here and minus q charge here because both are placed anti-parallel. So this will be the direction of the electric dipole moment. Now this is the direction of what? This is the direction of F2 plus charge, force away from the charge, and this is what? This is the force on the minus q charge. So always the plus q charge moves along the direction of electric field and minus q charge moves along the direction of opposite to the electric field. So these two the direction of the forces on these two charges, and this is weak field region and this is a strong field region. So now in this condition, this force is greater than this force according to the formula. This is minus QE1 and this is plus QE2. Okay, since E1 is greater than E2, this is a strong field and this is weak field, so this force is greater than this force. So the net force F is equal to F1 minus F2. So what is the direction of F1? This opposite to the direction of the field. So this force act in the direction opposite to the direction of the electric field. So this is the case of the dipole in the non-uniform electric field.